Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A very special welcome back to Cook and Share. I like simple things, but I like them yummy. So I decided to put together this one-pan sausage and veggie skillet. It came out absolutely incredible. Great thing is you can do it in about 15-20 minutes. Just have a look at this. Just great. And stick around at the end of the video because I have some shots I want to share with you about some food that food shots people have sent in to us. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. Okay guys, to kick things off here, I'm going to add some oil to a pan. And this is over medium-high heat. Add in 4 good-sized Italian sausages. These are the hot ones, but you can use the mild or medium if you like. And of course, as you can see, I've cut these into cubes. Some people fry them up first and then cut them. But to me that's kind of redundant. But, however you want to cook them. After about 4 minutes, the sausage is nicely cooked through. So I'm going to add in half a yellow bell pepper and a large chopped zucchini, half a small onion, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. And we're going to season this up with a couple of teaspoons of Worcester sauce. And I know I said it wrong, and don't correct me, I can never say it. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And this you can pick up in just about any store. And of course, the old staple, some salt and pepper. Okay guys, we'll just toss this up just until everything is nicely combined. The smells so good. I keep saying this and I'm going to invent it. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Wouldn't that be a multi-million-dollar invention? Okay, we'll just go ahead and let this cook through just until the vegetables are tender. And the last step, guys, is 1.5 cups, 2 cups of grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. Just add some beautiful color there. And I'm just going to give these a toss. Kind of gently. I don't want to squish those tomatoes. And the other veggies fried for about 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want them over fried. I like my veggies with a bit of crunch to them. So we're just going to fry these just to the point where they begin to pop just a tiny bit. And there you have it guys, our one-pan skillet sausage and veggie. And the great thing is you can do this up in about 15 minutes. Alrighty then, let's transfer this into a serving dish. Oh, don't those colors look wonderful, guys? So to finish things off, I'm going to garnish this up with some green onions. And I keep saying this, but this smells so good. And you know what they say, if it smells good, it is good. Okay, so let's dig in and give this a taste test. Oh guys, oh my goodness, this is so good. The sausage is just beautiful. The veggies still have a crunch to them. The Italian seasoning, absolutely incredible. You gotta try this. I'm gonna eat more. So always remember, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and let's look at some pictures. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. I told you I'd be back, or at least I warned you. In a few minutes here, or a few seconds anyway, we're going to look at some pics by you, our subscribers. Some great dishes you've done. There are only about 4 or 5 of them, but they are fantastic. I'd like to do this on more of a regular basis, this kind of sharing thing. I think it's really encouraging for you, and it's really encouraging for us. So we'll get on with that in a few minutes. 2020 is behind us. And I have to say, thank goodness, I hope, excuse me, I hope 2021 is much of a better year. We can recap and talk about some of the things that happened in 2020, but we won't get into that. We'll just put it behind us. I could talk about my New Year's resolutions, but I quit making those because it seems like more of a bucket list now, the older you get, than it does a resolution. So anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get on and let's look at some food pics. Okay, guys, here we are, and in case you're looking for me, I'm way down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Yeah, that's where they put me. Anyway, some wonderful food pics by our subscribers. And to begin with, we have our creamy Tuscan chicken. That was a really popular recipe, one I thoroughly enjoyed. I shared it with my camera crew and my producer, and boy, we sat there and ate it and thought, this is so good. And this was a version by Sean and Kelly, their creamy Tuscan chicken. And if you look on the pic on the right, well, it's a beautiful dish, but they ate it all. But that's what it's there for. So again, the creamy Tuscan chicken by Sean and Kelly. And remember, guys, don't mess with the family. It's probably a really poor accent. Next up, we have another version of Creamy Tuscan Chicken Deluxe by Richard. Richard changed the recipe a bit, so I think I'm going to find a place in the recipe on the website to put Richard's version of it. He added olives, which is a really nice touch, and I think he added some ricotta cheese too, among other things. Really turned out great. He said his family just raved over it, and they're going to make it on a regular basis. So congratulations, Richard. It looks really good. Next up, we have some brownie swirls by Daniela. And I couldn't get over it. I looked at Daniela's picture and I thought, her oven is so clean. You know, I crawl away and hang my head in shame at how clean that oven is. And those brownie swirls look absolutely incredible. So congratulations on that, Daniela. Keep on baking. And last but not least, we have the winner with his new knife. And if you remember a while back, we held a draw. Our folks at Delstrong gave us a knife, and we did the draw. Mike won the knife, and he says he's really enjoying the knife, and you can see him on the right-hand side there. He's cutting away. I hope that's food he's cutting at. I'm not too sure. You never can tell. No, I'm sure it's food. So Mike, again, congratulations on your Delstrong knife. If you get a chance, check out their website. All kinds of cool stuff there. So guys, I won't hold you a whole lot longer. If you have any food pics to share, head on over to Cook and Share, and there's a link right. You'll see it is very clear to our Facebook page. You can chat with you can chat with us on our Facebook or send a pic. That's right on the website, or you go directly to the Facebook page, or you can send your image or your picture via email to admin@cookandshare.com. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the great pics. Please send more. We really enjoy them. Stay safe. And again, Happy New Year and Happy 2021.